Hair restoration explained.
Circular razor slices around individual
snap!
hairs from the back of your head.
Wait, no, it's actually, what the heck? It's actually taking like the bone out.
Each one is carefully removed, making sure to not damage
Dude, that took out part of your skull.
the roots. Next, tiny holes are made in the bald area using a fine needle, and each hair is gently pushed in so the roots can reattach. After a few months, the transplanted hairs grow back.
Check out all the things because of science. That's amazing. Let's go.
And your bald spot disappears.